risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm...
Well, good morning everyone. Down in John Chiem. It's a bit overcast, but still very warm and humid. But just for a look around the marina. I understand there's going to be a little car show here, and obviously it's something that I haven't been to before. So let's have a look around and see what it's all about.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
As you would expect in a yacht club, these grounds are immaculately kept. All the manicured lawns and trees, palm trees, coconut trees, all scattered about. It's a nice little park or a walkway round. There's a lake here as well. Let's have a quick look at the lake. All surrounded by palm trees, coconut trees. So let's have a look at the cars and see what's on offer. Very nice Mercedes there with the butterfly doors. Well, this model is a 200 SL. And so there's not many of these examples left around. They are very, very sought after, these cars. Very nice examples of classic motors. A lot of them are Mercedes. You've got a few at the moment, but let's have a look and see what we can see. This is a nice limo. Obviously a Merc 600. Don't know what year, there's no plates up on it, but certainly a fine example of its year. Great big radiator on the front of it. Another Merc, quite a nice colour, just off gold. A lot smaller than the one we just looked at in size. It's a 250 CE. But very nice two-tone, gold and brown. Another lovely car. It's got Deutschland plates up. Very fine, nice example of Mercedes. Got the white walls. Running on 195Rs, 140s. Of course, where you get expensive cars, you'll get expensive girls. So not too many vehicles here today, but vehicles of quality, shall we say. So it was worth a little ride out to come here today. This is a quirky little example of restoration. The headlights and indicators have got their little wipers. So it looks like a 90-degree action lever that cleans the lenses by little wiper blades on the headlights. You got the butterfly doors example of the 300 SL. Very rare, lovely restored vehicle, this one.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go.
The doors opening up, lift up butterfly doors, butterfly wings. Beautiful car. I think you'll go a long way before you find another example of this. This is restored to its best. It's like as it comes out of the factory. Now on this Merc, there's an interesting feature here. To open the hood or the bonnet, as we say in the UK, you drop the steering wheel. The steering wheel is dropped there, and that releases the catch for the bonnet. Also, nice bit of authenticity to the engine is the expansion bowl for the radiator is glass with turbo, and it's got the original stickers on it, or stickers in the right place, and very unusual, the glass expansion vessel for the radiator.
1, 2, 3.
And we got this. This is a Citroen. I've never seen a cut down Citroen like this before. It's certainly different. It's got the traditional air ride suspension, and it goes quite high when it came in. As I say, it's a cut down version. I don't know if that was stock. I've never seen one before, but very nice. And of course, we got this standard Citroen that we're all used to seeing. Standard 5, I think they are, standard 5s, but very clean in there. The traditional Citroen that we're used to see, yeah, D Super 5, and you've got the more modern ones. All very nice. You've got the expansion bladders on the suspension for when it takes in its air ride. And again, it's there, you can see it there. That takes up the expansion of the air when they start up, and the air goes into the suspension. So it's the expansion bladder. It's very fitting to have these type of or quality of vehicles here today. It just blends in with the marina and all the yachts that are here. And sitting next to all the Mercs and expensive cars is this little Mini Cooper. Quite a nice little car. I don't know, it looks very short nosed, this one. Something's not quite right with it. It's very short. Although it's a Cooper S, it looks very short. It's got all the makings of a Cooper S, but something just doesn't gel with it. This is a very early example, and the bonnets, I don't know if the bonnets were a little bit shorter.
Yes, the last one. Yeah.
But from what I can remember of Cooper S's, the bonnet was a little bit longer than that. It may be through the year, I don't know. You've also got a Range Rover here, just a standard city tractor. And bearing in mind, these cars, the import duty coming into Thailand for foreign motors is 300%. So to get a Range Rover into the country, you're paying a lot of money. Little Mustang just pulling in. We've got 5-spoke wheels with MP, used to be the old MPs, 5-spoke MPs. Very nice wheels. Tyre plates up, so they're all resident here. Typical V8 throbbing engine, the nice chrome wheels, and with 289 block on it. That's interesting. It's got a dial there for your temperature, thermostat setting. And here's a lovely little Corvette, typical red. Very nice example. with a Corvette Stingray. So we've got a couple more come in. There's a little Fiat, old Fiat here. I don't know if that's what series it is, but certainly an old one. And again, another Cooper. A little Cooper S, 1275 engine. Little eyebrows on the headlights. Very nice. Got the MG here, but it's got the Fortuner badge up. So I think that's the Ferrari influence on the engine. Quite nice condition. We got another Corvette coming in. Side pipes. Lovely Merble of that V8, and it's a 454 lump.
It's crazy how things change. Yeah, I feel good when I'm with you, darling. So won't you stay? Yeah, I feel good when I'm with you, darling. I can't stay away. I can't help but feeling this is meant to be. I can't stay.
Well, I don't know what that one is. Let me have a quick look. $18,000. Boardwalk. I don't know, never heard that one before. Very nice though. And look what we got here. We got a Mercedes-Benz cycle. A little hub. It's actually a belt-driven bike. No chain. Little dynos on the hubs to power the lights. So there we have it. That's the car. It's going to make a move now. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, don't forget, please help the channel out by subscribing if you haven't already done so. Just push that button. It helps me out a great deal with YouTube and the algorithms. I did nice do little V12 Jag coming now. E-Type V12. Lovely.